everybody, this is Miss Brigitte, Alice and Kiki. Today we are at the tea plantation. Can you see the tea leaves? Yeah, these are all the tea leaves. From here, they make it into the tea that you will like to drink. By the way, Kiki, have you drunk tea? Oh, not yet, not yet. Kiki hasn't drunk tea. What about you, Alice? Yeah, I have, and it's so yummy. Wow, Alice has drunk tea, and yes, it's so yummy. It is. You know where the tea comes from? This is from the tea plantation. We are going to experience drinking tea. Are you ready?
Let's have a look at the tree plant from the trunk, the branches, and the leaves. This is a leaf, the green one, and these are the leaf buds. Very good for the tea. This is the tea leaf, which is still green, and then goes to the factory and they make it into dried tea. So this is the dried tea leaves, becomes brown, and to make it practical they put it in a tea bag, so it's easy for you to make it into the tea for drinking. Let's try to make the tea. You want to try? Okay, first put the tea bag into the teapot. See, the water becomes brownies, and then it's ready for you to pour it into the teacup. See? Well, you may add some sugar in it if you like and stir it so it will blend and taste good.
Now I am in the house, not at the tea plantation anymore. And I am with Kiki and Alice. Alice and Kiki, are you ready for the tea time? Yeah, I want to. Yeah, I want to. Okay, I'll make the tea. Do you still remember this tea? This is the tea leaf from the tea plantation that I took. But we are not going to drink this and put it in the teapot now. But we use the tea from the factory. Here is the dry tea, and I put it in the teapot, okay? And I'll pour it with the hot or boiling water. When you do it at home, be careful because this is hot. So you need the help from mommy, okay, to pour it for you. Well, and then I will, see, pour it into the cup this is for you, Alice. Thank you, Miss Brigitte. You're welcome. And this is for you, Kiki. Thank you, Miss Brigitte. You're welcome. Well, do you want to drink it now? Yeah, me. I want it. Okay, try this one. Wow, is it good? Yeah, it is very good. Okay, Kiki, try this one. Yeah, Kiki wants to drink the tea. All right, Kiki. Wow, how is it, Kiki? It's very good. Very good. I love it. I love it. Very good. Well, beside that tea, actually, the practical one, you can also buy the tea in the tea bag. And the same thing, you just put it in the teapot and you pour it with the hot or boiling water, and you may add some sugar. The sugar can be put into the cup here or into the teapot, okay, and then you stir it. Stir, so they will be blended, okay? Stir. Kiki, would you like some sugar? Oh, no, thank you. Okay, Kiki doesn't want to have his tea with sugar. All right. Well, so we have learned about the tea plantation, the tea at the tea plantation, and then the tea leaf, and how to make the tea. And don't forget to have some snacks when you drink tea. Try it at home together with your family. Well, you have experienced drinking tea, Alice and Kiki as well. And now I'm going to drink the tea by myself here. Drinking tea at the tea plantation. So good. Alright everybody, see you again in our next stories. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.